sir, madam. Nice to meet you. My name is Mary Ann Abaya from Santa Lucia, Ilocos Sur, in Philippines. I am married. I have 3 kids. My eldest kid is 16 years old and the younger kid is 8 years old. I studied at the University of Northern Philippines, major in Filipino and minor in mathematics. I am working as domestic helper here in the Philippines. I taking care the baby, a newborn baby, and a 3 years old. I am cooking a Filipino food, and I want to learn how to cook a Chinese foods. It is really hard to have a job now. I will do my best to do well my job and finish my contract with you. Thank you.